Hello and welcome. In the previous video, we had learned to create an array, correct? So we had learned to create an array and use some of the methods on it. In this video, we will continue the lesson on array and learn few more methods that can be used on an array. Okay, so let me quickly create an array. I'll say const, I'll say days 1 or let it be days equal to, and in square bracket let me say Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Alright, so this is my array. So let me log it to the console and see what I get. So I get Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, now let me create space here. So we have learned about push method. So push method is used to insert a new element, correct? So push, and in brackets I'll say Sunday. So when I run this, I get Sunday at the end of the array, or Sunday is the last element in this array, correct? But what if I want Sunday to be at the beginning of the array? At that time, instead of push, we need to use unshift. Okay, using unshift method, we can insert this element at the beginning of this array. Okay, so now let me run it to get Sunday at the beginning. Okay, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So unshift to add an element to the beginning, push to add it at the end. Okay, next let me delete this. We had learnt about pop method, correct? Pop. So using pop method, we can delete the last element of an array. But what if we want to delete the first element of the array? If we want to do that, instead of using pop, we have to use shift. Okay, shift. So let me run it to get Tuesday and Wednesday. So Tuesday and Wednesday. The first element is removed. First element is removed. So shift to remove first element, pop to remove last element. Okay. Next, let me delete this. Let me say days 1. Alright, days 1 is equal to this, and let me create one more array with Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, Saturday. So I have two arrays now. Now what I want to do is, I want to club the elements of these two arrays, or I want to add the elements of both arrays, or I want to join the elements of these two arrays. Okay, for that we use concat method. Alright, so we'll say const and we'll create one more variable, okay, where we'll say days 1 dot concat, okay, concat, and in bracket days 2, okay, days 2. All right, so we are basically saying days should be an array which has both the elements of days 1 and days 2, or this is like saying days is equal to days 1 plus days 2. Alright, so this concat adds the element of days 2 to days 1. Now when we print or log to the console days, we get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, so this is an array which has all the elements of these two arrays. Okay, next we have a method to sort the elements of an array in alphabetical order. Okay, so let me cut this from here and paste here. Okay, let me delete this and let it be days. So days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, now if I want to sort these elements in the alphabetical order, in ascending alphabetical order, then we have to use sort method. Okay, so days dot sort, and don't forget the brackets. All right, and then when I print or log to the console, I get F, M, S, T, T and W. So these elements are sorted alphabetically. Okay, alphabetically. Next, let me delete this. We can split an array using slice method. Okay, so I'll say const and I'll say new days. Okay, new days, and I'll say days dot slice. Okay, days dot slice. And now what I want in this array is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, so I want these three in my new array. All right, so now we have to use index. Okay, index. You know that first element has index 0, second has index 1, third has index 2 and so on. Correct? What do I want? I want Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So from 0 I want till 2. 0, 1, 2. So what I have to type in this bracket is 0, 3. Alright, 0, 3. So 0 is this. So I want from 0, 0 till 2. So 0, 1, 2. Correct? I want till 2, but then here we have to write a number which is 1 more than what we want. So even though we have written 3, it will be taken till 2. Okay? 2. So what is 2? Index 2, Wednesday. 0, 1, 2. So we'll have an array which has Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So let me log to the console now. New and days. Okay? So let me run it to get Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay? So even though we want till 2, what we have to mention here is 1 more than what we want. Okay? So this is exclusive. That is, the element at the index number 3 is exclusive or excluded. Alright? So it is not this, but 1 less than 3, which is 2. Okay? Now, what if we want Wednesday, Thursday and Friday? Alright? Instead of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I want Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So the starting is Wednesday. So Wednesday is in 0, 1, 2. So this has to be 2. Okay? This has to be 2. And I want till Friday, correct? So this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. But we have to write 1 more than what we want. We want 5. Okay? We want 5. So 2, 3, 4. But 1 more than what we want. So now when I run it, I get Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Alright? So this is how it works. It may be confusing. It may be confusing initially, but you'll get over it. Alright? Yes. So this is how we use slice method. Next, let me delete it. We can use splice method to remove certain elements and then add a different element in its place. Alright? So now what I want to do is I want to remove Monday and Tuesday. Okay? I want to remove Monday and Tuesday, and in this place I want to have holiday element. Alright? So let us do that. I'll say const, okay, or not const, sorry, days dot splice, days dot splice, and what is the index number of the first element? 0. And till where do I want to remove? Tuesday. Tuesday is 1. So this is 0, this is 1. But we need to take one more than what we want. So it is 2. 0 to 2. Alright. And then comma. And then what do we want to have instead of these two? We want to have holiday. Holiday. Alright. Holiday. So now let me log to the console days. Okay. So when I run it, you can see we have holiday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Or in other words, instead of Monday and Tuesday, we have holiday. And this is how you have to write it. So splice method along with the index number of the elements that you want to remove. So starting is 0, the ending is Tuesday, but one more than the ending index should be taken. Okay. Now, let us say I want to remove this and this. Instead of Friday and Saturday, I want to have holiday. Alright. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So starting number 4 and this is 5. One more than 5 is 6. Alright. So now let me run it to get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and holiday. Alright. So this is how you replace elements using splice method. Okay. Next, we can also check if an element exists or not in an array using includes method. Okay. So here I'll say const and is included. Okay. Let me name it as is included. And here I'll say days dot includes. Okay. Days dot includes. And in the bracket I'll say, let me say Monday. Alright, Monday. And I want to log to the console is included. Alright. So now when I run this, I get true because this Monday exists in the array. I am checking whether Monday exists in the array or not. And to check, we use includes method. Okay. So now if I say Monday and if I run it, I get false because we do not have this string as an element in this array. We just have MON. So it matches letter by letter. So MONDAY. It checks whether the same string appears in the array. So it is not appearing and so the result is false. Okay. So these are some of the methods that you need to know about an array. Alright. So now that's it for this video. I want you to go ahead and practice and experiment with the things that we had learnt in this video. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.